Today we are going to talk about what distinguishes a poor person from a rich person. It's always a hot topic, and many of us are wondering why some people achieve financial success, while others stay where they are. Let's look into this together and identify the key differences between poverty and wealth. Difference 1. Mindset and worldview. The number one difference between the poor and the rich that is often seen has to do with their mentality and worldview. Let's take a closer look at this distinction. The mindset of the poor. 1. Limited thinking. Poor people often have a narrow worldview, believing that certain opportunities are not available to them. They may think that wealth and success are only available to a select few. 2. Fear and negative beliefs. Poor people may be subject to fears, doubts, and negative beliefs about their abilities and opportunities. They may be afraid of risk and change. 3. Constant worry about money. The poor often experience constant worry about their financial situation, which can cause stress and anxiety. The mindset of the rich. 1. Broad thinking. Wealthy people have a broader and more open mindset. They see opportunities and potential around them and are willing to explore new horizons. 2. Positive thinking. Wealthy people often share positive beliefs and believe in their abilities. They strive to achieve goals and are willing to overcome obstacles. 3. Risk management skills. Wealthy people, although they consider risk, know how to manage it. They are willing to invest in new projects and business prospects, realizing that risk can bring great rewards. Mindset and outlook play a huge role in achieving financial success, shifting from a limited mindset to a broader one, from negative beliefs to positive ones, and from anxiety to confidence can be the first and important step on the road to wealth and success. It not only changes the way you think about money, but also influences your actions and decisions in the financial realm. We remind dear viewers that in the description to the video you can support our channel and our team, and we go on. Difference number 2. Financial management. Difference number 2 between the poor and the rich concerns the way in which finances are managed. This is a key aspect that determines financial success and stability. Let's examine this difference in more detail. Managing the finances of the poor. 1. Living from paycheck to paycheck. Poor people often spend everything they earn and have no savings. They may be in constant debt and dependent on each new paycheck. 2. Poor financial skills. Lack of knowledge about finances and investments limits the poor in their ability to manage their money effectively. 3. Expenditure on consumer goods. The poor often spend most of their money on consumer goods such as clothing, electronics, and entertainment. Managing the finances of the rich. 1. Systematic saving. Rich people have a system of saving and investing. They set aside a portion of their income for the future, which allows them to build wealth. 2. Financial literacy. The rich have knowledge of finance and understand how investments work. They can use tools such as stocks, real estate, and portfolio investments to increase their wealth. 3. Asset investment. Wealthy people prefer to invest in assets that can generate income such as real estate, securities, and businesses. Managing finances is not just a skill but a way of life. Wealthy people understand that money can work for them and strive to maximize their financial opportunities. This includes knowing how to save, invest, and make sound financial decisions. This skill is often the key factor that enables wealthy people to build and grow their wealth. Difference 3. Education and self-development. Difference number 3 between the poor and the rich has to do with education and a commitment to self-development. Education and continuous learning play an important role in financial success. Let's take a closer look at this distinction. Education and self-development of the poor. 1. Limited education. Poor people often have limited education and may not have access to higher education or vocational programs. 2. Scarce opportunities for self-development. Limited financial resources may prevent poor people from investing in their education and skill development. 3. Lack of commitment to self-development. Because of scarce educational opportunities and beliefs, poor people may place less emphasis on self-development. Education and self-development of the rich. 1. Investment in education. Rich people often invest in their education and professional development. They may attend universities, courses, seminars, and trainings. 2. Constant self-development. The wealthy seek constant self-development and learning new skills. They read books, study industries, and develop their professional skill. 3. Respect for education. The wealthy value education and see it as the key to success. They may support educational research and programs. Education and self-development are fundamental factors that can increase financial literacy and opportunity. Wealthy individuals realize that knowledge and skills are important assets that can help them achieve their financial goals. This approach helps them grow professionally and create more successful careers and businesses. Summarizing. Let's summarize and draw the main conclusions about the differences between poverty and wealth. 1. Mentality and worldview. The poor often have a limited and negative mindset, fear risk, and believe that success is only available to a select few. The rich have a positive mindset, believe in themselves and seek development. They are willing to take risks and seek new opportunities. 2. Management of finances. The rich have a system of savings and investments, manage their finances and prefer to invest in assets. 3. Education and self-development. The poor may have limited educational opportunities and may not seek self-development. The rich invest in education and continuous self-development, value knowledge and the ability to acquire new skills. So, the key differences between poverty and wealth are not only the level of income, but also mentality, financial management and educational aspirations. Successful people understand the importance of positive thinking, financial discipline, and continuous learning. They use these principles to create stability and wealth in their lives. It is important to remember that these differences are not static and can change with the right effort and drive. Thank you for watching.